Hi, this is Carlos, the head mechanic at Fully Charged. Today we're showing you how to adjust your Quickpark stem on a Moustache. A Quickpark stem is ideal if you are parking your bike in a narrow area, so you can just rotate your handlebars 90 degrees and it makes your bike much narrower overall. Your Quickpark stem may develop a bit of movement, a bit of play like this, lateral movement. Now it's crucial that you adjust this because you will damage it if you keep riding it like that. Now this is quite a simple adjustment. It does look complicated because of the amount of bolts that you have and the steps that you have to do, but it's actually very simple. I'll explain to you why. Now this is the actual clamp bolt, which you do not have to touch. This is pre-torqued to 16 Newton meters and you don't need to adjust that. The preload adjuster for the headset, you also do not need to adjust that. All you need to do to adjust the park stem is you simply push your release cap, lift your lever, you undo the grub screw here, which is only done up to 3 newtons. You simply undo that. This one's already loose, but you undo it. It's very easy to drop it, it's very small. So you just undo it a few turns, and then you get another Allen key, and you will see there'll be several holes here on this collar. Insert an Allen key in there, and you rotate this clockwise. Okay, and I normally always recommend to say do a quarter of a turn or half a turn and then try to clamp it. So what you're looking for here is you're looking for a bit of a force from about halfway in its stroke. So here's already starting to bite and it clamps. Now before we lock the grub screw, you want to test it, see if there's still movement. Now this one is still movement, so there's not enough force. We're going to open it up again and tighten it some more. So I'm going to tighten it another quarter of a turn and try again. Now this is ideal. I know by feel, but there's no movement anymore. So once you're happy with that, you can then lock off your grub screw. And that's it.